Dear beloved soul, there has always been a quiet longing inside you. Perhaps you have felt it in your tenderest moments. That soft, aching sense that this world, as it has been, is not all there is. A memory you could never name. A knowing that somewhere, beyond the noise and the struggle, there is a place of peace, of wholeness, of home. You were not longing for some distant heaven, far beyond the stars. You were remembering this, the heaven that is meant to live here, upon this earth. You were feeling the soul's ancient promise of new earth. What is new earth? New earth is not a far-off dream. It is not a reward waiting after this life is done. It is not something only the worthy will see. New earth is the soul's remembering made visible. It is the place that arises when human hearts remember their oneness. When fear gives way to love. When separation dissolves into unity. New earth is heaven made real, not as a distant paradise, but as the way we choose to be, right here, right now. Why have we waited so long for heaven on earth? For generations, we were taught that heaven is elsewhere. That this world is a trial, and heaven a reward. That we must suffer here, to deserve joy beyond. But beloved, the kingdom was never far. Christ whispered its truth, the kingdom of God is within you. New earth is the opening of that inner kingdom into the outer world. It is the shift from waiting for heaven to being heaven. The time of waiting is over. The time of becoming is here. How do we bring heaven to earth? We bring heaven to earth when we see with new eyes that look upon the world and find the sacred in all things. We bring heaven to earth when we speak words that heal instead of harm, when we offer kindness in the small, unseen moments. We bring heaven to earth when we care for the soil beneath our feet, when we honor the waters, the trees, the creatures as kin. We bring heaven to earth when we remember that what we do to another, we do to ourselves. Heaven is a choice, not a place. New earth is not built by force. It rises gently, with every choice to love where we might have feared, to forgive where we might have judged, to unite where we might have divided. Each choice is a seed of heaven planted in this world. And in time, those seeds grow. The signs of new earth awakening in you. How do you know heaven is blooming through you? You begin to feel peace where there was once only struggle. You begin to seek harmony, not victory. You begin to sense the quiet guidance of your soul in each moment. The ordinary begins to shine, the sunrise, the breeze, a child's laughter. These are the signs that new earth is rising, first within you, then all around. The courage to live new earth. Living heaven on earth is not always easy. It asks us to let go of old ways, old fears, old stories, old patterns of harm. It asks us to soften where we once hardened, to open where we once closed. It asks us to remember that we are not small. We are not powerless. We are the carriers of light, the bringers of new earth. What does new earth look like? New earth is not a fantasy world free of challenge. It is a world where love guides our response to challenge. It is a world where peace is not the absence of conflict, but the presence of understanding. It is a world where we live as caretakers, not conquerors. It is a world where we see the face of God in one another, where no one is unseen, unloved, unworthy. New earth looks like a world where the sacred is not hidden, but shines through all things. The soul's role in co-creating heaven on earth. Beloved, new earth is not a gift handed down from the sky. It is a gift given through you. Each time you choose love, each time you act with integrity, each time you extend compassion beyond what is easy, you help weave heaven into this world. You are not waiting for a miracle. You are the miracle. The inner work of new earth. To live heaven on earth begins inside. Heal what has been wounded within. Release the judgments that bind you. Let go of the belief that you are separate from the divine. As you do this inner work, the outer world reflects the change. New earth is not built from the outside in. It is built from the inside out. Let heaven bloom through you. Heaven is not a destination. It is the natural state of the heart at peace, the mind at rest, the soul in harmony. Let it bloom through you. Let it rise through your choices, your words, your ways. You are not waiting for new earth. You are becoming new earth. Dear beloved soul, the new earth is not beyond reach. It is here, now, waiting to awaken in each heart, waiting to be born through each act of love, waiting to bloom through your remembering. May you walk this earth as heaven's keeper. May you see the sacred in all. May you know that the new earth begins, always, with you. And so it is.